Hello everyone, I am Dr. Neha, practicing doctor at Bharat Homeopathy. In today's video, we will be talking about what psoriasis is and how to deal with it. Psoriasis is a skin condition and roughly about 2 to 3% of the world's population is suffering from psoriasis. So I hope you understand that it is a big deal. There are a lot of people who are suffering from psoriasis and struggling with it and not knowing how to deal with it. Psoriasis is an autoimmune condition and it can present at any age of your life, childhood, adulthood, teenage, or maybe old age. There is no known specific reason for psoriasis, but it is somehow considered to be autoimmune triggered by any of the past history events or maybe genetic also. The patient presents with white silvery flakes that are coupled with itching, redness, and if you scratch it a lot, it might bleed. And the eruptions can be present anywhere in the body. Typical eruptions present around elbows, maybe face, scalp, nails or toes, hips, anywhere. Also, it is important to understand a patient who has psoriasis not only has skin conditions, it can affect a number of internal organs in your body. Sometimes the patient presents with psoriatic arthritis, an inflammatory condition of your joints where you have joint pains, and sometimes presenting with the distortion of your fingers. Since there is an inflammatory condition inside your body, it can also affect your lungs, liver, or maybe kidney, or you can present with thyroid. So if you have psoriasis, get yourself tested every year just to rule out in case you have any other medical condition. Now, talking about how to deal with it, there is a 6-point formula that I always advise my patients to stay away from: alcohol, smoke, sleep, stress, spices, and meat. Now, this 6-point formula is something that you have to remember in your mind, and you have to make sure that you avoid all of these things in your lifestyle. Make sure that you are sleeping regularly, you are taking 8 hours of sleep, and you are staying away from all kinds of physical and mental exhaustion. If you are someone who is smoke dependent or maybe alcohol dependent, then you have to quit doing it. Absolutely quit doing it. And also, if you're too much on a non-vegetarian diet, try looking for other options. Try looking for healthier and vegetarian sources of protein and try consuming a lot of green vegetables. Keep yourself hydrated. At least drink 2 to 3 liters of water a day. I hope you find this video helpful and you understand there are certain ways by which you can stop your psoriasis from flaring up, from spreading. All these lifestyle guidelines coupled with homeopathic medicines, customized homeopathic medicines, can help you get rid of psoriasis. For more information, you can get in touch with our team and we will be there to help you. Thank you.